Hello dear viewers, welcome to my another new Excel video. So today I'm going to share how to calculate bond valuation with Microsoft Excel. So let me share the screen. So going to share the screen here. So here you can see bond valuation. So today I will calculate and I will see you how to calculate bond valuation with Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So here you can see par value. Actually par value is 1000. Coupon interest rate is that is 14%. Years to maturity, that is 20%. Required return, that is 12%. And what will be the value of bond, we don't know. So let's calculate. So for calculating present value of bond, we have to give equal sign, then write down PC actually, then first bracket will be the rate. What is rate? Rate will be, you know, that that is required return actually. Required return equals b6, then comma NPR, number of years. Actually that will be years of maturity. Then click on it, and then okay, PMT actually month. Actually PMT, that means payment. Okay, so we have to calculate payment. So first give par value 1000, then multiplied by coupon interest rate. Okay, so then give a comma, then what is present value. Of course, what will be the present value or future value? The par value will be what we don't know actually. You can give 1000, then type, there is no type, then second bracket close, then click on enter button. Then you can easily understand that that is the present value of the bond, you know. So in this way we can solve various problems with Microsoft Excel. Even it will of course save our time and give an authentic result, no doubt. So in this way we can solve various problems like this. So that's all for today, and thank you very much for watching me. So that's all.